I want to go inside and shoot the way.
And I say no. This is my duty post. I decide who goes out and who comes in.
I want to go inside. Then, if you don't want to allow me, then I will sit there and let everybody hear my voice.
I say no.
Igwe, thank God you are here. Igwe, thank God you are here. Have you heard from horse mouth? Have you?
Horse's mouth.
Igwe. Igwe. Horse or horses. In fact, Igwe, you are the authority and you have spoken. In fact, Igwe, let me go and tell you what
you see.
Igwe.
You have to respect and obey the guys.
Igwe. Yes, but he have to respect us too. This vagabond have to respect us too. Because we are the indigene of this kingdom. And we gave you the authority to rule us. Why would this falcon be stop me? Did he know how this kingdom was made? Then he has the authority and audacity to tell me that I cannot see my king anytime and any day. In fact, if you try it again, Igwe, I told you, you are the man after our heart. We gave you that throne to rule us because your good can never end. You take after your father. Hi, death. If not because of death, wouldn't I be here? But death made you. You take after your father. Igwe, you live long. You reign more than any other thing. Don't mind this idiot. Igwe.
It's all right. Now, go inside. The maidens will find something for you to eat, okay?
Igwe, I don't even have time because I came to complain to you. I came to complain to you about Madam Udego, that woman. She came to my backyard and plucked all the whole bitter leaf, which I planted by myself. She plucked out without telling me the owner. Igwe, so I'm going to that place. You see this hand? I must make use of it because that woman will see the bad side of me.
Okay. You can go, but do not fight. And if you fight, you know the penalty.
Igwe, I will not fight. But since I have no time, Igwe, can you give me that thing that you normally give to me since I have no time to eat whatever thing you have in your palace?
So, which of them?
Hey, Igwe, your kindness can never end. It's one bottle can be okay, so that I will use it across my mouth.
Go and get me a hot drink.
Hey! Igwe! In fact, Igwe, you live above all your enemies. Nobody will kill you. You live and rule. If I do anything rulable, Igwe, you can never die. You see this thing that you want to give to me, Igwe, you add it to my soul and my career for generation to generation. Igwe, I live. But anybody that will kill you, Igwe, I will descend on that thing. And that person will lie in their life. I never lie.
The more they try to stop the moon from shining, positive people not the fear at all. They get two ways of happiness, yeah. Either they change situation or they change their mindset. And they say no. And there's a witty out of good. Mama love is sally sally. Can I check it number? And there's a Abulona where Bulaji MSC Ogepume. Cause destiny child is always destined. No matter the plans of enemies. And there's enjoy your life. You are owing nobody. The benenu wagyo. And what are you one below? The menankiti. Get a fire. Get unankiti. If a fabulam. Get unankiti. Get unankiti. And there is a witty out of good. Mama love is sally sally. Can I check it number? And there is a witty out of good. Mama love is sally sally. Can I check it number? And there is a
My friend. Onye Nollywood. My friendship. Ada.
Yes, baby girl.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Oh, you're always looking. No. Don't even tell me you're going. Don't even do that.
Of course, I'm not going back. I'm not.
So where are you going with this bag?
Listen, it is you I have come to see, my friend. And everything in this bag is all yours. The shoes, the clothes. I mean, everything. The bags. All for you, baby girl.
Ada, are you serious?
Of course, I have more than enough. Why can't I share with you? Why are you screaming? Please don't embarrass me. Thank you so much. Come here.
Hey,
you're welcome.
my sister, thank you so much. You see why they said, follow who no road.
You have started.
Follow who no road. See, yeah, now I'll be dressing like somebody who just came back from city or abroad. Or easy.
Of course.
I can't wait to look good so that my boyfriend will see me. He likes beautiful things. Or just that now.
I know you are a beautiful girl, no doubt. And I can't wait to see that boyfriend of yours that you have always talked about.
I want to see him.
Why not? You're my sister, not just a friend.
Thank you so much,
You're welcome.
Adese.
It's nothing.
Your actions makes me so emotional. Thank you for not allowing our mother's differences to destroy what we have built over years.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I remember when you lost your father and almost hanged yourself. I saved you and ever since then we've been friends. But Hama Water, they want to use their rig and spoil our abuse on Amakazi. Thank you for sticking with me.
Why not? Listen, I know that our mothers want us to be enemies, but we're not going to be. It's not going to work. I mean, they weren't there when we started this friendship and they're not going to see the end of it.
Impossible.
Best friends forever.
Friends for life. Thank you so much. Please come inside.
So much.
Come inside today. You will not even tell me you don't want anything. You deserve a bottle of mineral.
No, I'll take
even
it.
if I cannot afford champagne.
Coke.
Mama, I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing, Mama. I don't like it.
God forbid. God forbid that you should bring Adese's clothes into my house.
They are no longer Adese's clothes. Because she has given them to me. They are now my clothes. All that she got me.
The more reason you shouldn't take these clothes from her.
Why?
Her mother and herself are our enemies. You shouldn't take gift from our enemy.
Mama, if Adese's mother is your enemy, Adese is not my enemy. Adese and I are friends forever, friends for life. There's nothing wrong with her gifting me something. Mama, please, I don't want to do what I will regret. Oh. I don't want to do what I will regret.
Like what? Like what? Chidima, if you want to go beg before the serpent, go and kneel and beg. I will not be part of it. I will not be part of it. Nanuya, I will not be part of it. Why do you want to make me a beggar? In a bottle of one. In what I call, use it to buy clothes for yourself. Okay,
Mama, you slapped me because my friend gave me to you.
and I'll slap you. No problem. Keep it where they will see it. Why are you taking back from them? You bought up. You know, all those salons. Get you back clothes for yourself. Idiot.
The more they try to stop the moon from shining, positive people not the fear at all. They get two ways of happiness.
You're traveling and you didn't tell me.
I'm not traveling, I just came to see you.
You came to see me with this big bag. Ha! But Chidima, I told you I'm not buoyant enough to live with a woman now.
It's far from that. I never said I'm living with you. See, there are clothes in this bag. They were given to me by my best friend Adese. But my mother wouldn't let them take them inside our house.
She gave you all this?
Yes.
This your friend is very nice though.
Yes.
She has a very good heart.
Yes. And I don't know why my mother is behaving like this. How can I return all these beautiful clothes to her? How? Please, I want you to keep this bag for me in your house. Anytime I want to go out, I'll come and dress up from here.
Keep them in your shop now.
My shop?
Eh?
You know my mother comes to my shop every day. What is all this question and answer? In fact, if you don't want to keep the bag for me,
wait now, wait. It hasn't come to that.
Are you keeping the bag for me or not?
Bring it, I'll keep it.
Please, anytime you see her, I want you to thank her for me, appreciate her for everything she has done for me. Biko, that girl is such an angel in human form.
And I'll see her one of these days.
Definitely. Keep it well for me.
Cause destiny child is always destined. No matter the plans of enemies, I dare say enjoy your life. You are owing nobody. The benenu wagyo, and what I need you one dealer. The menankiti, that I find. If I
Come on.
Kenny?
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, Kenny.
I'm fine. Mama, why are you doing this alone? Where's Chidinma?
I was about asking you the same question. She's not in your house? And she's not in her salon?
No, she didn't come to my house. And I didn't see her in her shop.
Yeah, where could she be?
I'm suspecting she has gone hunting.
No. She didn't go hunting. Because her hunting shoe, the gun, even the clothes, the bag, all of them are inside the house. Wait, are you sure she has not followed that girl? That stupid girl, that good for nothing girl, to patrol around this village? Huh? What is all this?
Mama, just take it easy. I'll come back to check on her.
This girl is looking for my trouble.
I know.
She's looking for my trouble. The fly that does not hear advice will follow the corpse to the grave. She's looking for my trouble.
Mama, it's okay. Just take it easy. Mama, do you want me to help you?
No, don't worry. I'll do it myself. Yeah, I want no more wine.
Mama, I'll come back.
One.
The more they try to stop the moon from shining, positive people not the fear at all. They get two ways of happiness, yeah. Either they change situation or they change their mindset.
Obai! Wokoma. Igwa.
You came to see us today?
Only passing by and I feel to stop. I know if Chidinma will give me something. So as you can see, I didn't come to see you. Yes.
Because you know I don't have anything to give you.
Says who? I didn't say so, but you know, dog can never go where he will not see anything to eat. You know, dog likes food.
At me see. Hope I'm safe.
Chidinma, you're very, very safe. Only come if you have some money to give me so that I will use it and buy some ekpem and drink. So if you don't have, don't bother yourself. But if you have, better give it up.
Abisi, every time drink. Why can't you ask for food?
He doesn't like food. He doesn't like eating food.
Says who? I eat every blessed day. Just that I don't eat where people will see me just like you eating. People is passing by.
Why?
I'm a titled man.
Yeah. Please, if you have money, give him so he can carry his while and go.
Obina. Don't even try again in your life to pursue me out of this place. Why would you be chasing me away? Here. You and I are a visitor in this place. So don't chase me out because we came for the same time.
Abis, it's okay. It's okay, please.
Don't tell him.
See. Just give me this balance. Take it.
Yeah.
Go and eat.
Yeah. Who am I? Who am I? Okay, one thing about that. You think I'm a fool? Don't worry. This is this place that you give to me. May God bless you and bless your career. Help!
Let him go. He's a nice person, it's just that he drinks too much.
Chidima, I'm waiting for you. Oh. Come out, let's see you. Ha!
Hey!
This is nice. Very colorful.
Yes.
Hey!
Exactly the way I like it. Long, decent.
Is this the belt?
You see that my Adeze? Adeze is such a good, amazing girl. After God in my life, now that girl.
Hi.
Is you.
I'd like to meet her.
You will meet her. One day you will meet her. See how colorful I look. I told her I don't want all those pinchom.
What is pinchom?
No, those are shorties.
She really likes you.
Yes, so. Okay, you've been talking about the clothes. Now it's time to talk about your girlfriend. Tell me, am I pretty?
The dress is fine.
More one.
Wait. Wait now.
You're the most ugly man on earth. Don't, because you each other praise me.
Let me tie it down. Chidima, the dress is fine and you are beautiful.
Is it just that?
You are beautiful. Eh?
Say it loud.
I say you are beautiful.
One day I do.
Hey!
Hi, Moko Mam. Obimu. Mokem Jeko. What is it now?
Chidima, where are you coming from?
Is that the best way to greet your love? Chidima, what them baby? What them man? Eh?
I'm asking you because I've searched for you everywhere. Chidima, I've been looking for you since morning. I went to your shop. It was locked.
I'm sorry, but you're asking me where I'm coming from as if it's not obvious. Nchi, everything. You should know I'm coming from hunting now. I went for hunting.
Chidima, you see this hunting, eh? You have to choose between hunting and me. Yes, it is my problem. I've told you. I've told you several times. Leave this hunting. It's not for women. It's for men. Eh? You can't be a woman and you're hunting, carrying animals. Please.
But who says women don't hunt? Eh? What a man can do, a woman can do even better. Yeah. See now, is it not obvious that a woman can hunt? Eh?
Let me tell you, eh? I finished learning my mechanic work. And very soon, I'll raise money to start my own workshop. Please, listen to me. Whatever I make from that workshop will be enough to take care of both of us.
My love, you are sorry. Ndo. See, the truth is I'm not hunting because I'm hungry or because I'm looking for money. It's just something I love doing. Hunting is my hobby.
Your hobby? Your hobby? You see this hobby of yours? I don't like it. It get change here. Now. You have to change it. Will you not change it? Every time you're acting like a man, see you're holding a gun, you're holding a cutlass.
Come now. Okay, I'm sorry.
Every time I told you something.
I'm sorry now.
Every time.
City is so fine. When are we going back? Because I don't want my mother to think that something wrong has happened to me.
Don't worry. After a little shopping, we're going back to the village. Okay?
See how beautiful everywhere is. Eh? Everybody's looking so good.
Well, I don't know what you'll be saying if you visit the US. The US is nothing compared to this. I mean, if you get to that country, you will never think of coming back here.
Hey! Ne! Ikwezoku! See, but my only problem is cold. You know I don't like cold. And I heard there's too much cold in US. Even this your AC self. I'm telling you, you have to one unit there.
Just bring it down.
Biko, bring it down.
Just regulate it. Okay, that's it. Don't worry. The US cold cannot kill you. You'll be fine. You adjust.
Okay. People are enjoying life.
What's the beauty of life?
Cause destiny child is always destined. No matter the plans of enemies, I dare say enjoy your life. You are owing nobody.
Ne, thank you so much.
For what?
See the way you're spoiling me. You really spent money for me today and I really appreciate it.
Nothing. You're welcome. Woman, what are friends for? You are my friend. As a matter of fact, my sister, so you deserve it and more. I hope you love your dresses.
Love, of course I love. But you shouldn't have stressed yourself now. I'm sure you gave me clothes the other day and I've not worn all of them.
Come on, Chidima. It's nothing. I know I gave you clothes, but the clothes I gave you are already used clothes. Besides, you can use them for the upcoming New Yam festival.
Adeze, in my next world, you will still be my friend. You're such a caring person. You're so loving. Who be good to know who be mana? Paulina.
Oh, now you want to make me cry. You are an amazing friend to me, undoubtedly. Okay, you deserve it and more.
Thank you. Right? But see, there's another thing that surprised me. This world is now very developed.
What
so
happened?
It's just that ATM that you use, piam, ego exchange like that.
Of course not, you just swap the card.
Swap the card! Hey! You go back. Hey! When I buy Abata in my mom's place, I give her money, but this one is swap card.
See, a lot has been made easy for us. Okay, that is direct debit from your account. It's instant. Of course, if the money hadn't reflected, they wouldn't have let us come out.
Hey! Daughter, I know when I make it, I'll know all these things.
Of course, you know them
because
already.
you know things you can afford. Thank you.
Chidima.
Please, let's start going. My mother, you book one more.
I have heard your suggestions. They sound very wonderful. But I want to remind you that my colleagues from other communities shall be gracing the festival. I have also perfected plans to invite our state governor. I am only confiding in you ahead the other cabinet members before the next meeting.
Your Majesty, you see, inviting these dignitaries will add a lot of color to the festival. But considering our economic state, after completing the community town hall and the drilling of the
Okonkwo. I know that yes, we may not have enough money in our pockets, money in our accounts. But you should have allowed the Igwe to round off his speech. You never know what he intends to say. Oka dey on after Jonjo. Yeah. Allow him to. Yeah.
I agree with you. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'm sorry. It's just that after our people spending a lot, I think it will be a big burden to levy them now. That is why I'm saying all this.
Well, I will not be imposing any levy on our people. I will personally take care of the visitors.
Odogu Igwe! Odogu! Anekweku, anememe.
How you family? Yeah? Oh, if you were in my Odogu.
Yeah!
Odogu, Anekweku, anememe.
Let me also let you know about another plan before the general meeting. I will be setting up an ad hoc committee, and that committee is to, look at the modalities, look at the cost, look at everything that we'll need before and during the festival. And so with this, I think we're done talking. I will say don't go yet. Where's the guy? Come. Go and bring the palm wine and the bushmeat.
Hurry up before the palm wine gets cold.
Ada?
Yes, honey.
When did you start bringing men into this house?
Men?
Yes.
What do you mean men?
There's a man outside asking to see you.
To see me?
Yes.
A man?
You should just go and see him. But please, be very careful. This village is not safe.
I'm not expecting anyone.
Me? I tell you. Okay.
Oh, Obina, it's you. How are you?
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning. I was wondering who would be looking for me this early. When my mom said a man was looking for me, I was like, who?
It's me.
Oh, wow, that's nice. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Chidima sent you?
No.
Oh, okay.
She didn't send me. I came by myself.
Oh, but I hope everything is alright.
Yes, she doesn't know I'm here.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, is there a problem? Are you okay?
There's a little problem.
Please, what is this about? Tell me. Is everything alright? Obina, talk to me.
I dare say, I just need a little favor from you.
Okay. Tell me, what is this? What is the favor for?
I don't know how it will sound, but
Obina, please talk to me. We're like a family. Tell me. If I can be of help, why not?
I know it's not appropriate to ask, but I don't know how to put it to you.
Obina, feel free to tell me anything, okay? Talk to me.
I just need some money from you.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm sorry for asking. I mean, what's the money for? Just so I have an idea of what you want to do.
So you know I'm a motor mechanic.
Yeah, I know.
I just finished learning the job. So I want to start up my own workshop. So I just need some money to buy some of the tools I need, to start. But unfortunately, I don't have. And I can't ask people around in this village because they will not give me.
I understand.
So I had to come and ask you, but I'm sorry. I know it's somehow
Oh
to
no,
ask.
no. I'm not sorry. I'm not offended. I'm not really.
A man is not supposed to ask a woman for money.
No,
it should be the other way around.
It's not a problem. All fingers are not equal. I'm only asking so I have an idea of what you're looking for. So how much are we talking about? How much are we looking at?
And 50,000 is okay. At least if I have 50,000 now, just buy all the tools I need to start.
50,000 naira.
Yes.
We'll be able to start this.
Yes, I can manage 50,000.
Okay then. Is Chidima aware of this?
No.
She's not?
No, she's not aware. I can't tell her this.
Why not?
Why not?
Yes.
She will abuse me now. She will abuse me. She will... No.
But, I mean, I don't think she'll mind.
No.
Chidima is my friend.
No, she will. She will call me a fool. In fact, she should say I'm not ashamed of myself. That my mates are in the city making money and I'm in the village begging money. Begging for money, yes. So I decided not to tell her. So just keep it between us.
Oh, you don't even want her to know?
No, I don't know. How can she know? She can't know now.
Well, it's okay. Chidima is my friend, so for her sake, I'm going to lend a hand of help. I mean, giving you is the same as giving Chidima money, so we're like a family, so it doesn't matter.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so you sit. I'll just excuse me. I'll be right back.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Okay. Let me ask you a question. Obinna, let me ask you a question. Simple question that deserves a simple answer. Obinna, why is it that anywhere I go to seek for something, whenever I go to seek for better thing, Obinna, you'll be there. Are you a monitoring spirit? Obinna, are you a monitoring spirit?
Wait, are you not supposed to greet me?
Is that a problem? Okay. Brother Obinna, good morning.
What are you doing here?
Wow. Something that brought you here. And something that brought me. But mine are quite different because I was told to come. Adeze told me to come this early. Has she not waking up?
Who? What?
Has she not waking up?
Who?
Adeze.
Has she not what?
Has she not waking up?
She has traveled. Please go.
She has traveled.
He said she traveled.
No, I hear. Tell him what.
Cause destiny, child, is always destined. No matter the plans of enemies, I dare say enjoy your life. You are owing nobody. The benenu wagyo, awolo yiju bondilo. Nemenankiti, katafa, kepunankiti, ifefakulamu, kepunankiti, tantajofa, kepunankiti.
Agbisi, where are you coming from this early morning? You've started walking up and down.
No, as you can see, Adeze sent me. I'm now an errand boy.
Are you sure you're not drunk?
Me? Am I mad? If I try that in this early morning, my ancestors will deal with me. But you know, you have to brush your teeth. Because if you don't do it, your teeth will be smelling.
Agbisi, so you mean you saw my friend Adeze today?
Bam!
Eh?
Yes!
How is she?
She's beautiful. In fact, I even saw Billionaire there.
Eh? You saw Billionaire?
Bam!
Are you serious? Doing what?
I don't even know. I only saw it being like a kelaptamo kunono. But you have Jesus baptism, kelaptamo kunono. Oh no, we're still there where that's it. We can't walk out of the
What is Obina doing in Adeze's house this early? I hope he didn't sleep there.
Chidima, you have to stop shouting at me. I told you I didn't go anywhere.
That's the most annoying part. Denial! Denial! Why are you denying? Because if there's nothing wrong, you would have told me the truth that you went to Adeze's house and why you went there. What is it that you want, Obina? Chidima. Do you want to dump me for her? Chidima. You want to start dating Adeze simply because she has money?
Chidima, let me tell you something. Or let me ask you a question. Why is going to your friend's place a problem to you?
It's a problem to me because you did not tell me. It's a problem to me because you're denying. It's a problem to me because I never sent you there. So if at all there's any reason you should go to her house, you should be decent enough to tell your girlfriend.
I went there to greet her.
Did you sleep there to greet her in the morning? You went there early morning to greet her. To greet her for what exactly?
Chidima.
No, don't Chidima me. To greet her for what?
Chidima, but you
see,
know...
See, let me tell you. You think I'm not smart? But give me till this evening. I'll get to the root of this matter. I'll get to the root of this matter, Obina. You're not a nice person at all.
Chidima.
What have I done wrong by introducing my best friend to you? What have I done wrong?
Chidima, listen to me, oh. You can't possibly say, I want to leave you for your friend. Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
I don't trust you.
You should have asked me nicely, so I'll tell you. Your manner of approach.
No problem.
You should have asked me nicely.
Adeze! Ada, come. I heard Obina was here this morning. My boyfriend, I heard he was here this morning. Early Momo, come together. So I want to know why. Talk! This was the same way he lied, pretended. So start speaking now. Tell me the truth. Did he come? What time did he come? If he slept here last night and left this morning, you equally have the chance to confess.
So you mean he told you he was here?
Yes, he told me now. Why won't he tell me? He told me.
Chidima, I understand how you feel perfectly, okay? Your feelings are valid, trust me. But I need you to calm down. I'm your best friend, okay? And I have your best interest at heart. Give me the benefit of the doubt, alright? The whole thing is confusing. I really do not understand what is going on. But whatever it is, just calm down. Go back to your man and ask him to tell you the reason.
I will not do it. I will not do it. Go back to your man. So no more friends for life, friends forever. You as my bestie over years cannot explain to me why my boyfriend came here this morning or probably slept here last night. You cannot give me that explanation. You're telling me go back. See, or problem English, we're confused. It's not because you are helping me with money and clothes. That's why you will snatch my man. This relationship. It will not work. It will not work. Don't tell me that.
It is not.
What have I done wrong to have introduced him to you? It
is not what you think. Please just calm down. Okay, calm down. You're raising your voice. Calm down. I beg of you. Give me the benefit of the doubt. I am your friend. I'm not going to hurt you deliberately.
You did already. You did already for lying. Why did you lie? You know what? Now I know better. My mother was right after you. Delilah. Chidima. Because you're giving me small change. Give Colombia or you okay? Okay? Because bestie, you want Colombia my boyfriend. Relationship no matter how I suffered to build over the years. Because you just came back. Because if not that you're my friend and I love you and you give me money. Stupid girl. No problem.
Are you sure you're not making a mistake? I know. Why don't you tell Chidima that Obina was here?
Mom, you really don't get it. Obina was here. Oh yes. I gave him some money. Oh yes. He made me promise not to tell Chidima about it. He insisted. I gave him my word. Because he said he didn't want her to know. And I didn't think there was anything wrong with that. I'm like, oh, okay, that's fine. You tell her when you're ready to. And how he suddenly went behind my back to tell the same Chidima that he was here is amazing. I couldn't bear to break my word. So I told Chidima to go back and ask her man to explain to her the reason he was here. I mean, let her hear from him directly.
I just don't want anybody to take you for granted because of your kind heart. I mean, but why would you even give us such huge amount of money, knowing what we are into? Eh? Now see the mess you have caused. I keep telling you to stop associating with these people. This low life, they will rub off on you. Their mentality will rub off on you, my daughter. But you won't listen to me.
Mom, I really understand what you're saying. I perfectly understand. But I mean, that's the least I can do for a friend. A friend who's in need. I mean, giving Obina money is the same as giving Chidima money because it's going to be for their own good at the end of the day. I was just helping out a friend. I mean, what are friends for?
They are not your friends, my friend. They are not your friends. Both of them are the same. These real lives are not your friends. Stop associating yourself with them. Ah! When will you understand?
We are best friends before. What is going on? All getting a messy. You are supposed to live by example. Money when
Adeze, I'm really sorry for what I have done. I'm sorry for causing problems between you and your friend. I didn't know it was going to be like this.
But in the first place, why did you even accept that you came to my house? When you're the same person who said you don't want her to know.
Well, Adeze, she found out before asking. She did.
As it is now, you have to tell her the whole truth. Okay, it's better for her to know the truth. You can't continue to lie to her because you don't even know what she knows.
I don't know how she'll feel about it.
It doesn't matter. Okay, it can't be worse than it is. She feels bad already. Okay, and then continue lying to her will make her even feel worse. So just tell her the whole truth. Okay, it is better she knows that you came to me for money than her thinking there's something happening between us that we're trying so hard to hide.
Adeze, I'll just return the money. I'll return the money. I'll give you back the money.
Obina, you can't do that. That would be worse. Listen, Obin, please, I need you to go to her salon. Explain everything to her. She's your woman. She will understand. Tell her the truth. Please. Please.
I'll try.
Obina, you have to do more than try. Okay, just go and tell her everything. Please.
Thank you very much.
I'll be on my way now.
Obina, you fucked up. Why would you accept you when visiting in the first place?
Odinaka, you don't understand. The way she was talking to me, she sounded like somebody told her something already.
See, you're still learning now. Guy, they learn for this woman. See, if I were you, even at gunpoint, I would not accept I went visiting. Let Adeze stand in front of me. I will still deny it to the latter.
So now that things have gotten to this level, what do we do?
Open up and tell her the truth.
Odinaka, will she take me serious?
See, let me tell you. When someone gets angry like this, at worst case scenario, 1 or 2 days, the anger will subside. So, are you not the man here? What are you afraid of?
Are you sure what you're saying? I will tell Chidinma myself.
Eh?
Yes.
No. You said what? No. Otinaka, except you want World War III. World War III. Disaster. Mba. No. I'm not in support of that. Please.
You and I know that you're trying to come between me and my friend. My very good friend. Which is wrong. I was here the other day. I talked to you. I asked you to go and tell her the whole truth. Your constant refusal to tell her the truth is making her, it's making things worse.
Adeze, it's not like that. I want to tell her, but I don't know where to start from.
What do you mean you don't know where to start from? You start from the truth. Nothing but the truth. Tell her the reason you came to me. You want her to go ahead and believe that there's something going on between the two of us. Pushing a wrong narrative. Why are you doing this to me?
My heart is clean. I don't have any bad intention. I only came to ask for money. That's all.
Then you have to make her understand. She needs to know that. Okay, I mean, there is nothing here. There's no news. Just tell her that what you did wasn't wrong. But you going on and not explaining to her is making it look like you're hiding something.
Adeze, I'm sorry. I'll find a way to tell her.
Same thing you told me the last time. I really hope you do that this time. Please, just tell her everything. Okay?
I hope you don't hate me for this.
Of course not. Listen, my prayer for you and Chidinma is that God makes everything work out so that you and her can become husband and wife. I know she really loves you. She does.
And I love her too. I do.
Please, I don't want to go tell her myself because I gave you my word.
Hey! Where are you going? Hey! You think I will not catch you red-handed? You sneaked in. You guys are done. You want to sneak out. Oh, please, shut up! Shut up! Don't you dare in your miserable, slimy life mention my name again. You're that type of man in the Bible that they said cause problem amongst men. You want to bring problem between my boyfriend and I. Makagene.
Chidinma, please, can you just calm down?
Shut up! I reject it. I rebuke it. That I will calm down for you to tell me any nonsense. What do you have to say? Did you tell me before coming to my boyfriend's house? Did I send you to come? Did I ask you to come? My mother wasn't wrong after all. She told me your mother is a snatcher. Now it's obvious to me that you're like your mother, a snatcher. If not, you wouldn't dare come to my boyfriend's house without telling me.
Chidinma, can you shut up? What's wrong with you? Can you shut up and listen?
You're shouting at me because of Onya. No, it has gotten to that.
Chidinma.
Oya beat me.
Chidinma.
I said beat me.
Chidinma.
Oya, leave my way, son. Leave my way. Get out of my boyfriend's body. Are you mad?
Chidinma, shut up. Shut up and listen.
Obina, what would you do?
She hasn't done anything wrong.
You want to beat me? No, you want to beat me.
I only took money from her. I only borrowed money from her. She didn't do anything wrong. Why are you fighting her? What has she done? I only took money from her.
You are not fighting for her. Obina, don't you try it. Don't you try it.
I'm so sorry.
Don't you dare.
Chidinma, leave
Are
here.
you not done touching her in my absence? Now you want to do it in my
Chidinma,
presence.
leave here.
I will not take that. See, Obina.
Chidinma, leave here. Leave here now.
You want to beat me because
Chidinma,
of my
leave here.
I tell you, you're happy. Jezebel, Delilah, I'm an Ibu Agubana Ibu. It's obvious to me, but no problem.
I'm so sorry, please.
You're sorry.
Forgive me.
Idiot.
Chidinma, leave this place now.
I'm going.
Chidinma, leave here.
Make sure you marry her. You people can go. Going back inside now.
Chidinma.
You people can go to hell. Take her, marry her. Men will get some rubbish. Snatcher, friends for life. Now I know. My mother wants.
You were best friends before. What is going on? Getting a messy. You are supposed to live by example. Money when I'm the mapa go be. You were best friends, but now getting a messy. One year more. Gonna say a number. Each of us go
I have come to congratulate you for a job well done.
Izuka, you raised your daughter very well. And she learnt very well from you. As na neu na dawa. She learnt well. Just like the way you snatched my husband to be. That is the same way your miserable daughter has snatched my son-in-law. Mama, what is yaka?
Do not take the name of the dead in vain. Stop calling my husband's name. My husband is dead and resting. If you allow me to weep for you, the consequences will be very unbearable for you.
Every widow, because in the night when you're lying on the bed alone, you remember your husband and cry. Because you don't even love him. Consequences, grammar. Are you done with the big grammar? What consequences? You think I have forgotten that day I came to this house and met you lying on his bed?
You know what you are? An illiterate goat. That is what you are. I mean, what were you expecting? Take a good look at me. Take a good look at me. You thought he was going to leave a beautiful, well-educated princess like me and settle for an illiterate village champion like you? Man, you have to think again.
I have to think again. So that is what they teach.
Senselessness did not start today, my dear.
So that's what they teach people in school. How to snatch people's husbands. So your beauty is to snatch people's boyfriends and husbands. Well, your thievery spirit did not start today. You have always been a thief, right from the time immemorial. And you have passed it on to your daughter. She's coming to snatch my own daughter's fiancé and husband-to-be. Is that why she's always pretentiously coming to my house? To show herself as a good friend. Why ya biazina?
At least I have a daughter. I don't know what you call that thing. Because if you are thinking of calling her a daughter, you have your head examined. I have a daughter, a beautiful and intelligent one at that.
You open this your mouth, called my daughter that thing.
She is a thing. I called her a thing because that is what she is. I mean, what would you call that woman hunter of yours? What would you call such a thing? She is a thing. You cannot compare her with my daughter. No.
Golden daughter.
Yes.
Omanganori. You are not her God. At least she doesn't go about snatching people's boyfriend or snatching people's husbands. She has something doing, and that is honorable enough. You have spoken well today. You opened your mouth to call my daughter that thing. Nobody. Your daughter is somebody. I don't have anything to tell you today. But on a good day on my own, I will answer you. The next time we will meet, you'll be laughing like this.
Are you sure there will be enough? No, come back! Come here! Come and stand and battle words with me. Village afraid. Akuna! You want to come and fight me in my house?
You were best friends before.
So this was where she came to. And she lied to me that she was taking the bag home.
She was here, right outside. She burnt everything. That's not all she did. You cannot imagine the unprintable names Chidima called me and my mom. She insulted the living daylight out of me. I mean, what else am I going to do? I'm not going to force her. I'm not going to beat her. I'm okay. It's fine.
No. So all of these things happened because I only came to ask for money.
I mean, what has happened? That's it.
Is it not strange?
Obviously it's strange, but what can I do?
The truth is, she won't even let me explain to her. She won't let me explain to her to make her see reasons why I came to ask for money. She thinks I'm supporting you, I'm defending you. That's what she says.
Well, Obina, you know what? It's the state of her mind.